In this video, I'll show you how PDFelement can perform OCR in batches on Mac to convert several scanned PDF documents into editable files at once. Click Batch Process under the Tool menu. Then find the OCR Text Recognition tab and add the scanned documents you want to OCR using the Add button. Next, you can navigate to the drop-down menu on the right-hand side to select the preferred languages of your documents. Click Apply, and PDFelement will convert your files immediately. Then head to the Output folder to open your files. Now your scanned documents will be editable and searchable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check out the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time!